Good evening, guys. Thank you for continuing to follow the lessons here in YouTube. Ito po, I know last time medyo nabitin tayo dun sa lessons natin. So, we'll continue where we left off. Doon tayo sa walls. I know you by now, you already know how to work with walls. Alright? Just one tip for the day. Although it is really good to see the model in shaded view, it would still be better to have it in hidden line. Why? Para hindi masyado mahirapan yung video card of your computer. Alright? Especially if your PC does not have that much RAM, it would be better to just use the hidden line to start with. Alright? So, as you can see now, we have three tabs open. I have the east elevation, I have the 3D view, and I have the ground level. And I know for now you already know that whatever I change in the plan, that would also change in the 3D and in the elevation, because we are working on one single model. That's what building information modeling is. Okay, so that makes it really foolproof, and whatever changes you make, let's say if I move the door to the left or to the right, or even if I remove the door, you will see in the 3D view that it's been removed. Okay, if I undo that, of course that will go back. So now let's do a little bit of editing to make this look like sort of a real house. I'd just like to adjust this wall, make it round 2-meter wall right here. Maybe I'll remove this a little bit here, and I can extend this wall up to there. Oh, diretso lang po. Just drag it right there. Then I'd like to minimize this a little bit, make it like that. Tapos isasara natin. I'll be using some shortcut tricks, shortcut key. Let's say for example on my trim command, I taught you earlier that I do this, right? The trim extend to corner. But if you will notice, you have the TR in close parentheses, which is the shortcut. So to do that, what you do is you just type TR, tapos lalabas na yung tool mo dyan. Then you can just click those two walls like that. So it's pretty much done. Okay, so for this I want to extend it right there, and probably have another room here. Let's create a similar wall, create similar, put it here, and maybe up to here, 2.6. Yep, there. And I would just like to close it. Let's create another wall here, create similar, create a wall here, something like that. So kung makikita nyo, the key element here is that you have rooms that are closed. Okay, you have rooms that are closed. This is the key now. I can now make my floor. Alright, I'll make a floor. Go to your architecture tab, go to my floor architecture. Now by default, makikita nyo, once you have click on the floor, the create floor boundary icon will highlight, and you will see a red X here and a green red. Alright, and by default you have this pick walls highlighted, which is being suggested by Revit to be used by you. So ito yung gagamitin natin. So you don't have to click anything here, you just use whatever is default, and then we select the walls that will be the extents of your floor. So let's select this, that. Okay, so we're not done yet. Mind you that when we are doing a wall, we have to make sure that all the lines are close. Walang sumusobra. Walang sumusobrang ganito. It's like we're making a polyline in AutoCAD. So, how to do that? We have to use our trim command. Alright? I click trim, and I'll do that for my purple lines. The purple lines that are shown right there. Linisin natin. I'll clean that up. Okay. It looks like it's pretty clean now. But the thing here is, you can see, makikita nyo yung inconsistency. On this wall, the purple line is outside of the wall. However, here, nandun na siya sa loob ng wall. So, that's not good. So, you just click escape, and then you can just move this, click that, lalabas na yan. Click the wall, and click that to flip it. So, now we have a consistent edge of your slab, which is at the outside of the wall. Okay. Now, this is the last step. We click on the check button, finish edit mode. Yan. When it is highlighted, that means you already did your floor. By the way, the floor that we used is right here on your properties toolbar, which is a generic 150 mm wall. The floor, what I mean is at the ground level, and it does not have any height offset, so it will be at the 0 level. To check it, let's go to our 3D view. So ayan na, highlighted is your slab right there. We're just doing the architectural model, so that is supposed to be your architectural floor. Hindi pa tayo nag-structural, right? Okay, we still have a few more minutes for this video. Let's add some more windows. If you click on the window icon, you'll see that you have only one, or you have several. I have already several windows loaded in my library. But if in case that you don't have yet, what you can do is you just go to your insert, load family, go to your metric folder, go to your window, nasaan yung window right there, and you can choose from among these. Kuha lang kayo dyan. Alright? Now just click, let's say I would like to add a triple horizontal window. I'll click it, open. You will see that it is asking you to select the types. Types means the sizes available for that family. In this case, I would like to select them all. Just click on one of them and then click shift and click the other ones. That means you already selected all of it, and then click OK. Yeah. So I already have my window right there. Click escape, then you go again to your architecture window. That's your window right there. You can now put a window. Let's see how it goes. Alright. We're doing some wrong stuff here, but it's okay. It's completely fine. We'll modify it later on. So, makikita nyo dito, this have a sill height of 900 mm. However, the other one have a sill height of 1247. I think this window should be having at least 1.5 sill height. Click apply, and then what you do to the other one is you change the sill height as well. Now you have a uniformly placed window. Now also for this, you can control, select both of them, and then you can change, update the sill height, make it 1.5. By the way, you can only do that if you have two similar elements. For example, if I click and select the other one, I can easily change the sill height. I can make this 200, fine. Alright, but look, if I select two different windows, this and this, the sill height, I can still edit it. I don't know if that's possible. Okay, that's still okay. Sorry, it was not possible in previous versions of Revit. So 2020, it's pretty good. So ito, gagawin na rin natin na 1,500 yung seal niya. That's fine. So of course, you are the architect, you are the designer, you are the engineer. You can very well add more to your building. You can add more doors. We'll add more doors. Then we will edit later. That will be our interior doors. There you go. So hopefully these have added to your knowledge and skills. I'll see you again on the next video. Maraming salamat and good night.